Looking to elevate your fishing adventures? In this video, we'll explore the best inflatable boat for fishing, combining portability, durability, and top-notch performance. Whether you're casting in serene lakes or navigating winding rivers, these boats offer the perfect balance of convenience and functionality. Stay tuned as we dive into the features that make them a must-have for every angler. Number 5. Intex Fishing Boat. When it comes to fishing adventures, having a reliable and durable inflatable boat can make all the difference. This one impresses with its remarkable strength, thanks to its enhanced molecular PVC construction. During my time using it, I noticed how effortlessly it handled bumps and scrapes, maintaining its integrity even in rugged waters. The dual Boston valves are a game changer, allowing quick inflation and deflation without any hassle, so you can spend more time fishing and less time setting up. The boat's spacious design comfortably accommodates up to 5 adults, making it perfect for group trips. It has an impressive weight capacity of 1,300 pounds, ensuring it can hold all your gear without compromising stability. One of my favorite features is the extra storage space in the bow and stern. Whether it's dry bags, tackle boxes, or snacks, there's room for everything. The stainless steel D-rings are perfect for securing your gear, giving you peace of mind even in choppy waters. Included accessories elevate the experience further. The pair of 54-inch oars are sturdy and easy to maneuver, while the 4 detachable fishing rod holders are a blessing for multitasking. The gear pouch keeps essentials within reach, and the carry bag simplifies transport. With the high-output pump, inflating the boat is a breeze, and the repair patch adds a reassuring touch for any unforeseen punctures. Number 4. Bestway Hydro Fishing Boat. For anyone seeking a reliable and comfortable solution for water adventures, this inflatable boat offers an exceptional experience. Having used it for a fishing trip with friends, I was impressed by its durable PVC construction, which stood up to splashes and small waves with ease. The puncture-resistant Inflata shield material added a layer of stability and grip, providing peace of mind throughout the outing. With its capacity to hold up to 5 people, it was perfect for our group. The 2 inflatable seats with backrests ensured we were all comfortable, even during extended hours on the water. The built-in rod holders made fishing incredibly convenient, allowing us to focus on the catch without juggling gear. The oars, hand pump, and gear pouch included in the package simplified setup and ensured we had everything we needed. The wraparound grab rope was a handy feature for extra control, while the removable cushion added a touch of comfort that we didn't realize we'd appreciate until we used it. What stood out the most was the boat's portability. After our adventure, packing it up was quick and hassle-free. It folds down small enough to store easily between trips, which is a major plus for anyone short on storage space. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's easy to transport without feeling cumbersome. Number 3. Deluxe Inflatable Boat. Embarking on a day out on the water becomes effortless with this reliable and well-designed inflatable boat. Having used it for a serene lake adventure, I was immediately impressed by its super strong PVC construction, which felt both durable and resilient against abrasions and impacts. The triple air chambers, including the inner auxiliary chamber, provided an extra layer of safety, which brought peace of mind during our trip. Inflation and deflation were incredibly efficient, thanks to the quick-fill Boston valves, allowing us to get started without any unnecessary delay. Its thoughtful design made the experience even more enjoyable. The included 48-inch oars were lightweight yet sturdy, making paddling smooth and easy. The welded-on oar locks and holders ensured that the oars stayed securely in place when not in use. The grab handles on each side and the all-around grab line were features we appreciated when maneuvering the boat, adding both convenience and accessibility. One of the standout features is the high-output hand pump, which inflated the boat in just minutes, saving us time and effort. With a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, it comfortably accommodated 2 adults without compromising stability or comfort. Number 2. Mariner Inflatable Boat. Taking to the water has never been more enjoyable than with this exceptionally sturdy and versatile inflatable boat. On my recent fishing trip, I was amazed by its 3-ply laminate construction, which combines remarkable strength with resistance to abrasion, impact, and sunlight. This durability, paired with its ability to handle higher air pressure for added rigidity, made it feel incredibly stable and reliable, even during extended use. The triple air chambers, including an inner auxiliary chamber, added a layer of safety that gave me peace of mind. Setting it up was quick and hassle-free, thanks to the dual Boston valves. Within minutes, the boat was ready to hit the water, allowing me to spend more time enjoying the day. The included accessories were thoughtfully designed to enhance the experience. The 54-inch oars made paddling smooth and effortless, while the built-in fishing rod holders provided hands-free convenience for angling. I particularly appreciated the motor mount fitting, which opens up opportunities for motorized adventures. The grab handles and all-around grab line were invaluable for easy maneuvering, and the high-output hand pump was a lifesaver for inflating the boat quickly. With a weight capacity of 1,100 pounds, it comfortably held 4 adults along with our gear, making it perfect for group outings. Number 1. Excursion Inflatable Kayak. Exploring the water with this inflatable kayak is a truly enjoyable experience. On a recent trip, I was impressed by its 3-ply laminate construction, which combines exceptional toughness with a lightweight feel. Its enhanced PVC formulation stands up to abrasions, impacts, and even the harsh sunlight, making it incredibly durable for both calm and challenging waters. High-pressure inflation added noticeable rigidity and stability, and the spring-loaded valves made inflation and deflation quick and hassle-free. The 2 removable skegs are a standout feature, providing excellent maneuverability in both deep and shallow water. Whether paddling solo or with a partner, navigating tight turns or open stretches felt effortless. I particularly appreciated the extra storage space in the bow and stern, which easily accommodated our dry bags, snacks, and other essentials. The stainless steel D-rings made securing gear simple and reliable. With a capacity to hold 2 people and up to 400 pounds, this kayak is ideal for tandem adventures or solo escapades. Its portability is another highlight. Folding it into the carry bag after the trip was easy, making transportation and storage a breeze. The included accessories elevate the experience even further. The 86-inch paddles were smooth and efficient. The detachable fishing rod holders added convenience, and the GoPro camera and phone mount allowed us to capture the day's memories hands-free. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.